Hi everyone, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. In this video, we will see how to create an account on Wikipedia. Also, I wonder why you want to know how to create an account on Wikipedia. Maybe because you want to become an editor on Wikipedia so that you could write and edit different articles. Or maybe there's some information regarding you on the Wikipedia which is wrong, so you want to correct it. Or maybe you're a writer who writes different articles, so you just want to publish them on the Wikipedia, so you want to create account on it. Or maybe there's another reason for you to create your account on Wikipedia. So whatever the reason it could be, in this video I'll show you how easily you can create your account on Wikipedia. Also, I will try to leave written instructions in the description so you may check them as well. First, you have to make sure that you have already installed the Wikipedia app, and if you have not installed it yet, then you can still install it from Google Play Store or App Store. And once the app gets installed, just simply tap on its icon to open the Wikipedia app. Once the app gets open, you will see this interface. Right now, you could read articles and search for them. But if you want to edit them or maybe want to produce your own, then you have to create account on it. Therefore, you have to click on the settings icon, which is on the top right side of the screen, this one. Once you tap onto this option, you will get into settings. First, you will hear title of settings and you will find different option. Every option here is different from each other. So you have to click on this first option, login. Once you click on it, here it will allow you to enter your email address and your other information. But if you don't have an account, then click onto this one. Don't have an account, then create account. Once you click onto this option, you will be easily able to create your account. Now what you have to do here is that first you have to create your username on it. Make sure username is unique, enter password, then confirm it, and then if you want to add your email address, you can add it and then enter captcha. After that, you just enter all this information. You just have to simply click on the option which says create your account. Once you tap on it, it will just take a while to process all your information that you have just entered, and then it will ask you for some permissions. You may allow or deny it, and then your account will be ready. Now you can write articles, you can edit them, you can publish articles, and can explore and enjoy this Wikipedia app which is installed on you from Google Play Store or App Store. Once you have created your account on Wikipedia app, you could use this same account on the browser one. You just have to go to the browser and then you have to find the option for login and enter the same options that you entered when you were creating account, and you could also log in on the web. So this was the easiest way I know through which you can create an account on Wikipedia. If you know any other way of doing it, so let me know in the comment section below. Also, make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates. And thank you for watching the video.